We have here the national winner of Gueret Old Birds by the combination Roy-Philipsen in Balen. It's a very nice hen, middle size type. Her ring number is B206174121, and she won with a velocity of 1169 meters per minute. She is the fastest of 8,375 old birds. Very nice and large wing. And middles, as already said, middle-sized type. Wing number. This hen was also the second fastest of all birds, and then we are talking about 20,583 year and old birds. Congrats to the combination from the Headlands team.